Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinant. Example 1.26. In a T20 match, Chennai Super Kings needed just 6 runs to win with 1 ball left to go in the last over. The last ball was bowled and the batsman at the crease hit it high up. The ball traversed along their path in a vertical plane, and the equation of the path is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c with respect to a xy coordinate system in the vertical plane, and the ball traversed through the points 10, 8, 20, 16, 40, 22. Can you conclude that Chennai Super Kings won the match? Then justify your answer. All the distance are measured in meters and meeting point of the plane of the path with the furthest boundary line is 70, 0. So ஒரு curve கொடுத்திருக்காங்க y is equal to ax square plus bx plus y கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. The curves passing through the points 10, 8, 20, 16, 40, 22 ன்ற point கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Then finally I am going to substitute the point 70, 0. So first I am going to write the given equation. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Considers equation number 1. So first point passing through the point, first one becomes 10, 8. So x, y in sollte I am going to substitute in equation number 1. So first 8 becomes, y becomes 8. Then so y is equal to 8 is equal to ax becomes 10 whole square plus bx becomes 10 plus c. So 8 is equal to 10 square becomes 100 a plus 10 b plus c. So next I am going to arrange this equation. 100 a plus 10 b plus c is equal to 8 considers equation number a. Then next point I am going to substitute here 20, 16 in equation number 1. So x, y in substitute பண்ண போறோம். So y becomes 16 is equal to a times of 20 whole square plus bx becomes 20 plus c. So 16 is equal to 20 whole square becomes 400 a plus 20b plus c. I am going to arrange the equation here. That for 400a plus 20b plus c is equal to 16 considers equation number b. Then next point 40, 22 in equation number 1. So y becomes here xy. So y becomes 22 is equal to a, here x becomes 40 square plus b times of x becomes 40 plus c. So 22 is equal to, so 40 whole square becomes 1600 a plus 40b plus c. So I am going to arrange this equation. So 1600 a plus 40b plus c is equal to 22. So considers equation number c. Next I am going to write ABC equation. Then from this equation and I am going to write in the matrix formation. So coefficient of A becomes 100, 400, 1600. Then coefficient of B becomes 10, 20, 40. Then coefficient of C becomes 1, 1, 1. So next I am going to write ABC matrix A, B, C. So which is equal to that constant becomes constant matrix 8, 16, 22. From this is del matrix, this is constant matrix. So first I'm going to find del matrix. Del means determinant. So determinant of 100, 10, 1, 400, 21, 1641. So here in first column I'm going to take 100 is a common multiple, so I'm going to take outside from the determinant. Then second column I'm going to take 10 is a common multiple, so remaining, so 100s are 100, then 400 4, then 16, then here 10 taking outside means, so remaining 1 2 4, so remaining 1 1 1, which is equal to 1000. 100 into 10 becomes 1000. So here, so I'm going to choose directly, so I'm going to give the symbol plus minus plus, so I'm going to choose 1. The cofactor becomes, rows and columns will be eliminated, so remaining 1 2s are 2, minus 1 4s are 4, then I'm going to choose minus 1 half, rows and columns will be eliminated, then 1 4s are 4, then minus 1 into 16 becomes 16, then plus 1 half, 4 4s are 16, minus 2 16s are 32. So here 1000 of 1 times of 2 minus 4 becomes minus 2, minus 1 of 4 minus 16 becomes minus 12, plus 1 times of 16 minus 32 becomes minus 16, which is equal to 1000 of 1 into minus 2 becomes minus 2. Here minus minus positive 12, plus into minus we get minus 16, then which is equal to 1000 into, here minus 2 minus 16 becomes minus 18, which means 12 minus 18, which is equal to 1000. 12 minus 18 becomes minus 6, so which is equal to minus 6000 is the delta. So next I'm going to find del A. Then del matrix la, so I'm going to find del A. So A oda coefficients remove பண்ணிட்டு I'm going to insert constant matrix 8, 16, 22. Then remaining columns as usual follow பண்ணிக்கணும். So I'm going to give the symbol plus minus plus. Here common term is, in first column I'm going to take 2 is common, into second column I'm going to take 10 outside, then remaining here 4 2s are, here 8 2s are, here 11 2s are. From second column I'm going to take outside 10, so remaining 1 2 4, then third column 1 1 1. Here I'm going to introduce symbol plus minus plus, which is equal to 2 into 20, 10 becomes 20. So here I'm going to apply directly, I'm going to choose first row only. So 4 times of cofactor becomes, rows and columns will be eliminated, so 1 2s are 2, then minus 4 1 4s are, then I'm going to choose minus 1, so row and second column will be eliminated, so remaining entries 8 into 1 becomes 8, then 1 into 11 becomes 11, then I'm going to choose first row last element, rows and columns will be eliminated, so plus 1 of 8 4s are 32, minus 11 into 2 becomes 22, which is equal to 20 of 4 times of 2 minus 4 becomes minus 2, minus 1 of 8 minus 11 becomes minus 3, then plus 1 of 32 minus 22 becomes plus 10, which is equal to, so 20 of 4 into minus 2 becomes minus 8, minus minus positive, then 3 plus 10, which is equal to 20 of, so minus 8, 3 plus 10 becomes 13, which is equal to 20 of minus 8 plus 13 becomes plus 5. So 20 into 5 becomes, we get 100. 100 is a delta A value. So next I'm going to find del B. So del B is equal to, so B வந்து இங்க change பண்ணனால B ஓட coefficients remove பண்ணிட்டு I am going to add constant matrix here 8, then 16, then 22. So here so first காலத்துல இருந்து I am going to take outside 100, then second காலத்துல இருந்து I am going to take 2, then remaining, so 100 taking outside means 1, 4, 16 is there from second column, 2 is taking outside, so 4 2s are 8, here 8 times off, here 11 times off, so remaining 1 1 1. So I'm going to give the symbol plus minus plus, which is equal to 100 into 2 becomes 200. Here I'm going to choose first row, then 1 times of the determinant becomes rows and columns eliminator. 1 8s are 8, minus 1 11s are 11, then minus 4 of rows and columns will be eliminator, so 1 4s are 4, minus 1 16s are 16, then plus 1 times of 11, 1 times of rows and columns will be eliminator, so 11 4s are 44, minus 128, which is equal to, so 200 of 1 of 8 minus 11 becomes minus 3, minus 4 times of 4 minus 16 becomes minus 12, plus 1 times of 44 minus 128 becomes minus 84, which is equal to, so 200 of minus 3, here minus minus positive, 4 12s are 48, then plus into minus we get minus of 84, which is equal to 200 of minus 3 minus 84 becomes minus 87, here 48 is there, which is equal to, then, so 200 into 48 minus 87 becomes minus 39, which is equal to minus 7800 is a delta B matrix determinant value. So del C becomes A ஓட coefficient, B ஓட coefficientsலாம் அப்படியே fill பண்ணிட்டு C ஓட coefficient மட்டும் change பண்ணுறோம். So C ஓட coefficientக்கு பதில்ல constant matrix include பண்ணலாம். Cot becomes 8, 16, 22. From first column I am going to take 100 is a common multiple into, from second column I am going to take 10 is a common multiple, then third column I am going to take common multiple 2, so remaining is, so first column 1 4 16, then second column becomes 1 2 4, then third column becomes 4 8 11. So now I'm going to introduce plus minus plus, which is equal to, here 100 10 into 2 becomes 2000, so remaining here 1 times of, I'm row choose பண்ணிக்கலாம், 1 times of, so diagonal matrix multiply பண்ணா we get 2 into 11 becomes 22, minus 8 4s are 32, minus 1 of the cofactor, rows and columns will be eliminator, then 11 4s are 44, then minus 8 into 16 becomes 128, then plus 4 of 4 4s are 16, minus 16 into 2 becomes 32. So which is equal to, so 2000 of 1 times of 22 minus 32 becomes minus 10, minus 1 of 8 44 minus 128 becomes minus 84, plus 4 times of 16 minus 32 becomes minus 16, which is equal to, so 2000, then 1 into minus 10 becomes minus 10. Here minus minus positive 84, then plus and minus we get 4 times of 16 becomes 64, which is equal to, here 2000, then so minus 10 minus 64 becomes minus 74, so plus 84, which is equal to 2000 minus 74 plus 84 becomes plus 10, which is equal to 20,000. So this is a del C value. Then I'm going to use Cramer's rule. A is equal to del A by delta, which is equal to del A becomes 100 by del becomes minus 6000, which is equal to, so 20 will be cancelled, so remaining answer minus 1 by 60 is the A. Then B is equal to del B by delta, which is equal to del B becomes minus 7800 by delta becomes minus 6000, which is equal to 20 will be eliminated, so remaining minus minus cancel, so 78 by 60, which is equal to, next I'm going to eliminate sixth table. Here 10 6 are 60, here 13 6 are 78, then C is equal to del C by delta, which is equal to del C becomes 20,000 divided by delta becomes minus 6000, which is equal to 3 zeros eliminator, then remaining 20 by minus 6, which is equal to, here I'm going to use two table, so here 2 3s are, here using two table, so 3 2s are 6, here 10 2s are 20, so minus, so A value, B value, C value, I am going to apply the equation of the path is y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here y is equal to, A value becomes minus 1 by 60 of x square, then B order value becomes 13 by 10 of x, then C value becomes minus 10 by 3. Here the path with the furthest boundary line is 70, 0 அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So I'm going to check the point 70, 0. So substitute x is equal to 70. So y is equal to minus 1 by 60. So 70 whole square plus 13 by 10, x becomes 70 minus 10 by 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 60. 70 squared becomes 4900 plus 13, here 0 0 eliminator, into 7 minus 10 by 3, which is equal to, so first step here minus, here 0 0 eliminator, then 490 by 6, here plus 13 into 7 becomes 91 minus 10 by 3. So here I'm going to take LCM 6, so here minus 490, here 91 multiple by 6, then we get 546 minus here multiple by 2, here 10 to the 20, so which is equal to, so positive 546 minus 490, then 20 I'm going to add, we get 510 divided by 6, which is equal to 36 by 6 is equal to 1 6 are 6, 6 6 are 36. So therefore y is equal to 6 meter. So 70,0ன்றது மீட்டர்ஸ்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So human oda feet maximum 5 feet or 5.5 feet maybe is there. So here the ball goes around the height 6 meter away from the ground level. So the ball went by 6 meter high over the boundary line, and it's impossible for a fielder standing even just before the boundary line to jump and catch the ball. Hence the ball went for a super 6, and then the Chennai Super Kings won the match.